everybody, welcome to a new tutorial from Edit with Math. In this tutorial we are going to talk about layer style. Layer style are effects that we can add to any layer in our project. Now let's dive in and create a new document to work on it and to explore all the layer style. We can use layer styles with text, with objects, with colors, and many other things. Now let's go and create our text using the text tool in the toolbar, and let's type edit Let's rotate the blank background by going to File, Canvas size, and let's switch the width and the height. Proceed. Okay. Let's begin with the layer styles. We can double click on the text and this box will open, or we can go from the menu bar to layer and then to layer style here. Let's begin with the bevel and emboss option. Just look at the text having some bevel and emboss. We can change the blend mode, the opacity. Now let's add the stroke. Stroke will add edges around our letters. We can change its color to yellow for example, see the yellow, or to red. We can add inner shadow and change the angle with a distance. We can add we can drop shadow also. We can add its opacity, change its angle and the distance too. We can change the color overlay. The outer glow, noise, see here the noise, and the spread too. Okay, we've added here many styles to this text, Edit with Math. And now we can hide any of the any of the layer styles that we have added. Like, we can hide the drop shadow, the stroke, the red stroke, the bevel and emboss effect, and we can turn on one by one, turn them on one by one, and we can hide all the effects by one time clicking here on the effects. We can also use all these options of layer styles using a shape, and we can also copy this layer style to another text that we are going to create now. Photoshop tutorial. Let's copy the layer style by clicking copy layer style and right click on Photoshop tutorial text and paste layer style. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that now you have an idea about layer style.